morning, everybody. Looking at a new incoming vehicle. This is a Lincoln Navigator. We'll check on the year momentarily. Has front end collision damage. So let's start in the front over here. Looks like it needs a front bumper assembly. It needs a grille on the side. You need the bumper reinforcement. You need the right fender. The hood looks okay. Windshield is okay. Right front door is clean. Right rear door is clean. Right rear quarter panel is clean. Rear tailgate is clean. Rear bumper is clean. Left side looks pretty clean. Left fender looks good. You need a left headlight. Engine compartment looks pretty good. You're definitely gonna need the radiator, the condenser, radiator support. Aprons look good on this side here. Aprons look good over there. No movement on the motor. So it looks like the bulk of the damage is right here on the frame rails. Both sides have a little damage. This rebar here needs to be replaced. Cooler looks okay behind it. Got some wires that were damaged here. I'm not sure what that's for. That might be I run across the lower part of the radiator support, like for the fog lights. Let's take a look inside. It's got a beautiful interior, two-tone. Got a curtain airbag that's deployed here. Got a seat airbag that's deployed here. Nice brown leather interior. Driver's side airbag is deployed. Got a curtain airbag that's blown on that side. And it looks like the seat airbag is blown on the driver's side. 7-passenger. Really nice interior. Let's see on the roof. Panoramic roof, no buckles here on this side. Look at the back seat. Rear entertainment package, folding captain chairs. This is a fully loaded model. Really nice in here. We'll post on the website soon. Thanks for watching.